Howdy. Welcome to the Marquis AAS paper slide. That's angle side. See, the first thing that we have to do is we have to identify what kind of actual triangle that we have, as you can see. First thing that you do is, very first thing, you check to see if you have any angles. If you see this right here and this, those are your angles. So you have two angles. So you already know that you have somewhere at AA, an angle. Once you find out that you got an angle, then you have to see if you got any sides. So you can see right there, there's your side. Now it's time to see if you can solve that thing, you feel me? So let's say you have a problem like this right here. So, as it seems like, you'll be like, how do you actually know how to put this? Okay, well, it goes a little bit something like this. Bam. Your angles will always go as your sines, because we know what they are. So they go as your sine as in the SIN 52 and the SIN 48. Okay? That's how that goes. That's your angles. And when you see the 9 will be divided by one of your side numbers that you have, depending on what side it has and stuff like that. So be careful with it. If you see the question mark, that is what you have to find. So the equation look like this. You have to find where this is. So, since you only have this number, and this number, then you will have to find it. In order to find the question mark, the 9 will be times the SIN, the sine, 49, and then look something like this right here. Well, then you also have to remember, you have to divide by the other sign, the 52. And then it look like this right here. Then once you solve it in your calculator, you get this number right here. So the question mark will be that. So that'll be your how do you solve the equation. But you have to remember that your calculator has to be in degrees. And if your calculator is not in degrees, then you will mess the whole problem up. Well, that's it for the paper slide. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.